In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to cook a tri-tip. We're going to start by marinating the steak. Place in a ziplock bag, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 lemon sliced and squeezed. Make sure you use a sharp knife. Add 2 garlic cloves minced and fresh sprigs of cilantro. Zip that up, mix up, throw in the fridge for 6 to 10 hours. Then we're going to preheat your oven or your grill to 225 degrees. Remove the tri-tip from the fridge. We're going to season heavily both sides with salt, pepper, and any barbecue seasoning of your choice. Then we're going to place the tri-tip directly on the grill gate or an oven baking sheet. We're going to let that cook until the temp hits 115 internal temp, roughly around 60 to 90 minutes. Increase the grill temp to 500 degrees, place back in the grill, and we're going to cook until the internal temp hits 135, around 15 minutes. Remove the tri-tip from the grill or the oven, cover with foil, and let rest for at least 15 minutes. Then we're going to slice against the grain. Slice in 1/4-inch pieces. This cook roughly takes around 2.5 hours. Super good. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.